Making sense of the financial crisis in real time, imagine this. During the peak of the 2008 financial crisis, over 8.8 million jobs were lost in the United States alone. That's more than the population of New York City. Completely unemployed in just 2 years. And it didn't stop there. Trillions of dollars vanished from the global economy almost overnight. How did this happen? What does it mean for us today? Let's dive in. This is a story that reshaped the world. And today, I'm challenging myself and you to make sense of it together. The financial crisis wasn't just an event, it was a global earthquake. Markets crumbled, millions lost their homes and savings, and entire industries struggled to survive. But why is this still important? Because the echoes of that crisis are shaping the economy we live in today. Whether it's rising costs, stagnant wages, or the housing market, understanding the past is key to navigating the future. The challenges brought by the financial crisis were monumental. Unemployment skyrocketed, leaving millions without stable income. The housing market collapsed, with foreclosure signs becoming an all-too-common sight in neighborhoods worldwide. Entire life savings were wiped out, leaving families struggling to rebuild their futures. But these numbers don't tell the full story. Behind every statistic is a real person, someone who lost a job, a home, or their sense of financial security. And the ripple effects, they were felt in every corner of the globe. So what caused this meltdown? There's no single answer. It was a perfect storm of poor economic policies, risky market behaviors, and a series of events that spiraled out of control. One major factor was subprime mortgages, loans given to people who couldn't afford them. These were bundled into risky investments sold by banks, creating a bubble that eventually burst. Then there was deregulation, which allowed financial institutions to take enormous risks without oversight. One major factor was subprime mortgages, loans given to people who couldn't afford them. These were bundled into risky investments sold by banks, creating a bubble that eventually burst. Then there was deregulation, which allowed financial institutions to take enormous risks without oversight. September 15, 2008, was a day that shook the world. Lehman Brothers, one of the largest investment banks, declared bankruptcy. The financial system teetered on the brink of collapse. Panic spread, and governments were forced to step in with unprecedented bailouts and interventions to prevent total economic meltdown. This wasn't just a financial crisis, it was a crisis of trust. People no longer trusted the banks, the markets, or even their own governments to protect their livelihoods. The financial crisis was more than a moment in history. It was a turning point. We've explored its causes, the challenges it created, and its pivotal moments. But its effects still linger today, shaping our economic reality. From stricter banking regulations to debates about wealth inequality, this crisis left scars we can't ignore. I've just scratched the surface of this complex topic, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think was the most significant impact of the financial crisis? And how do you see it affecting us today? Share your ideas in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring the economy together. See you next time.